Ever wondered if you could seamlessly transfer your GrabPay funds directly to your bank account? It's a question that many GrabPay users have, and today, we're diving deep to answer it. GrabPay has revolutionized the way we pay, offering a convenient and secure platform for various transactions. But what about those times when you need to transfer your GrabPay balance to your traditional bank account? Is it possible? Let's find out. Unfortunately, there isn't a one-size-fits-all answer. The availability of direct bank transfer functionality through GrabPay can vary depending on your specific region and the terms and conditions set by Grab in your country. Exploring your options. While direct bank transfers might not be universally available, there are a few alternative methods you can consider to access your GrabPay funds. In-app purchases and services. GrabFood, use your GrabPay balance to order food and other items. GrabMart, purchase groceries and other essentials. GrabTransport, pay for your rides and deliveries. GrabPay Card, use your virtual or physical GrabPay card to make online and offline purchases. Cash out at partner outlets. In certain regions, you might be able to withdraw cash from your GrabPay balance at designated partner outlets, such as convenience stores or supermarkets. Peer-to-peer transfers. If you have friends or family who use GrabPay, you can transfer funds to them, and they can then withdraw the money. Checking your local options. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information, we recommend checking the following. GrabPay app. Look for any specific features or options related to fund transfers or withdrawals. Grab's official website. Consult the website for your region to find the latest terms and conditions and any updates on available features. Grab's customer support. Reach out to Grab's customer support team for personalized assistance and guidance. As GrabPay continues to evolve, it's possible that direct bank transfer functionality may become available in more regions. Keep an eye on updates from Grab to stay informed about the latest features and services. While direct bank transfers might not be universally available through GrabPay, there are various alternative methods to access and utilize your funds. By exploring these options and staying updated on the latest developments, you can make the most of your GrabPay experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.